Replacing or installing a new door might seem like a straightforward project, but many homeowners in Tuscaloosa discover the process can be more complicated than expected. A door that is poorly installed can lead to drafts, energy loss, security issues, or even costly repairs down the road. Whether you're upgrading your front entry, adding a patio door, or replacing interior doors, avoiding common mistakes is key to getting long-lasting results. Choosing the wrong door for the space. One of the biggest mistakes is selecting a door that doesn't suit the home's needs. For example, buying a standard-sized door when your frame requires a custom fit often leads to forced adjustments that compromise stability. Similarly, choosing a lightweight interior door for an exterior entry point reduces security and durability. In Tuscaloosa's warm, humid climate, picking the wrong material, like untreated wood that easily warps, can shorten the life of your door. Always match the door type and material to both function and climate. Skipping precise measurements. A door installation is only as good as the measurements behind it. Rushing through or estimating sizes often results in gaps, uneven fitting, and poor sealing. Homeowners sometimes measure just the door slab but forget the frame, threshold, and clearance requirements. This oversight causes delays and unnecessary expenses. For best results, measure multiple times and account for the full opening, including the jamb and trim space. Ignoring proper frame preparation before installing a new door, the frame and subfloor must be level, square, and structurally sound. Skipping this step can lead to doors that stick, swing open on their own, or leave uneven gaps. In older Tuscaloosa homes, settling may cause frames to shift, so reinforcing or replacing the frame may be necessary. Investing a little extra time to prepare the opening properly ensures smoother installation and better long-term performance. Poor sealing and insulation. Tuscaloosa's hot summers and occasional cold snaps mean energy efficiency is a priority. A common mistake is failing to use adequate insulation or weather stripping during installation. Even small gaps around the edges can cause drafts, moisture intrusion, and higher energy bills. Apply caulk around exterior trim and add high-quality weather seals to keep conditioned air inside and outdoor elements out. Misaligned hinges and hardware. Another frequent error is improper placement of hinges, screws, and locks. If hinges aren't level, the door may sag or rub against the floor. If screws are too short, they may strip or loosen, reducing the door's security. The lock set also needs careful alignment to ensure the latch fits smoothly into the strike plate. Using the right hardware and taking time to align it correctly prevents frustration and keeps your door functional for years. Rushing the installation. DIY homeowners in Tuscaloosa sometimes rush the process, thinking door installation is a quick weekend project. However, cutting corners, like skipping shims, neglecting to check for plumb alignment, or failing to test the swing, can lead to major problems later. Taking the time to adjust and test each step ensures the door operates smoothly and securely. Overlooking local climate and maintenance. Tuscaloosa's weather can be tough on doors, especially exterior ones. Failing to consider how humidity, rain, and temperature swings affect materials is a costly mistake. Wood doors should be sealed and maintained regularly to resist warping. Metal doors may need rust protection. Fiberglass options often perform well in humid conditions. Choosing a material suited to the local climate and keeping up with maintenance will protect your investment. Attempting complex installations without help. While many homeowners enjoy DIY projects, complex door installations, like sliding glass doors or custom entry systems, are best left to professionals. Attempting these without the right tools or experience can result in damage, safety hazards, or even voided warranties. Hiring a qualified installer in Tuscaloosa ensures the job is done right the first time, saving time and money. Final thoughts. Door installation may look simple, but avoiding common mistakes is the difference between a door that lasts decades and one that causes headaches after a year. From accurate measurements to proper sealing, each step requires attention to detail, Homeowners in Tuscaloosa can save themselves future stress by planning carefully, using the right materials, and calling on professional help when needed. Done right, a new door not only improves your home's appearance but also enhances comfort, energy efficiency, and security.